Uprimya Sangma, General Secretary ga Achek Organization for Social Welfare, ula ujor shiki borjo ka District Fisheries Department William Nagar, baki de ban wengno mardor, yaki spe banep her, baki pen up harut surak hajan ka Green Yard Secondary School jong ka Town Baptist Church, ki balabu iki kena school ki bayat nangta, haka jingma bajing mensaw ka bakraw. Ula ongru, babun sien ki kena ki alek kai paramaki, kat ba ki dang let bat endawai school. Ula kenoru, baki ni ki spe ki longkum ki jing riamban pen mensaw brieu kam tam nilai, yaki kena red ki bampatip, yaki jingma ki bala ban mi, na ki ni ki spe. Ula ujor baki de ban wengno egi ni ki spe mardor, klem dapan slam show.